Hey class, this is Mrs. HS, and I just wanted to send you a little video to check in, tell you that I miss you and I wish we were still in class, but I hope that you are doing well with remote learning, and just know that you can email me at any time. Also make sure that you're checking your school email multiple times a day, because your teachers, including myself, will be sending a lot of info every day, hopefully sending your assignments via email or telling you where to find them. So just please make sure you're checking your school email, and that's a Gmail. If you've never logged in, you should be able to access it by going to the waffle in the upper right hand corner of Google Drive, and that's how you should be able to find it, or go through Clever. And a reminder that on Mondays I will post my assignments for my class on Google Classroom. I will also email them to you and families. This video I'm going to try to post on Google Classroom. I've never done it before, and I'm also going to send it to you. I don't think I'm going to send it to your family, because the way the email works, I can't attach one to your families in the same way. So hopefully this gets out okay. And just another reminder to be patient with grades with all your teachers. We're getting, hundreds of emails every week of grade submissions. And so if you are emailing with a question, I'd recommend this for myself and other teachers. It's probably helpful too. Put the word question in the subject line of your email. That way we know it's urgent, we need to reply to it quickly. Otherwise, it's easy for us to assume that it's just another Google Classroom submission that we'll just grade as we get to it, okay? Because obviously we're putting our emails and questions first before grading, because we want to help you learn rather than just give you that grade. So your assignment for the week, we are going to continue researching the Holocaust for the book Night that we were expected to read. So you've done a little bit of this before, but now you're showing us, can you really do it on your own? So we gave you those two sources before we left school, and you should have done your Holocaust summary and vocab. If you have not, you can still do that. And now you are finding your own sources. So don't use the sources that we gave you, which is Holocaust Part 1 and Part 2, but use your own sources. And you're finding 3 of them, okay? And then you're going to document the author, the publisher, all of that good stuff that we use to cite information, so you can find that on the article online. And then you're going to summarize the article, and then you're going to find 2 important quotes. So make sure they're quotes that are basically a fact that you think is important about the Holocaust. That's what you should think about when you're finding your important quotes, okay? And then there's a little part on the bottom under the quote that asks you to tell us what paragraph it's in, so that it's easier for me to cross-reference and find where you found your quote, okay? And then I think that's all I had for today, but again, please email if you have any questions, and I miss you and I hope you're doing well, and please do your roses and thorns for my class. If Mr. Gatson sends this to his class, I don't know if you guys are doing it, but for my class, make sure you're doing those, because it really makes me feel connected to you, and hopefully helps you feel connected to me and your classmates. All right, have a great week.